How to take a screenshot on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to capture your screen using all the available methods on Windows 11. If you only want to capture the active window, press Alt and Print Screen at the same time. From there, this copies the screenshot of the active window to your clipboard. Open Paint or any image editor and press Ctrl and V to paste and save it. After that, if you want to capture a specific area of your screen, press Windows key, Shift, and S at the same time to open the Snipping Tool overlay. In the next step, click and drag to select the area you want to capture, and release to take the screenshot. From there, the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard, and a notification will appear. Click on it to open and save the snip. Once done, if you want to use the full Snipping Tool app, click on the Start button and search for Snipping Tool and open it. Following this, click on New and choose your preferred capture mode: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. From here, take your screenshot and use the built-in editor to annotate or crop it before saving. At this stage, if you want to capture a full screen screenshot and have it copied to your clipboard only, press the print screen key on its own without any other keys. Finally, open File Explorer and navigate to Pictures, then Screenshots to confirm your saved screenshots are all stored there. And that's it. If this guide helped you take a screenshot on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.